You have to work on yourself all the time. And above all, you've got to have patience. Patience is the key, especially when you're practicing this path. You must have a lot of patience. Do not ask when. Live each moment as it comes in beauty and joy. One day you will awaken and you will be surprised, and you will laugh hysterically. But patience is the key. It's like the story of the two frogs who lived in a milk factory outside in the woods. A fat frog and a skinny frog. One day they inadvertently jumped into a milk vat and they couldn't get out. And the fat frog said, "Brother Frog, we've been paddling like this for a long time. We'll never get out of here. I guess we're doomed to die." And the thin frog said, "Brother Frog, have hope, have faith. Keep paddling. Something will happen. Somebody will rescue us. Never give up." So they kept paddling for a couple of hours and they still couldn't get out. And the fat frog said, "Brother Frog, this is the end. I'm getting tired. It's hopeless. I see no rescue coming. It is impossible. There's no way out." And the skinny frog said, "Brother Frog, do not give up hope. Keep paddling. Don't think about it. Just paddle. Something will happen. Something will give. We'll be rescued." So they paddled a couple more hours. And the fat frog said, "Brother Frog, you know what you're talking about. There's no hope. This is the end. I'm going to give up." And he stopped paddling and sank in the milk and drowned. But the thin frog kept paddling without thinking. After a while, he felt something solid beneath him. He had churned the milk into butter, and he was able to hop out of the vat. And this is like us. We see no hope. We think it's the end. Nobody loves us. We have incurable diseases. We have no job. The world looks like it's coming to an end. There are wars. Man's inhumanity is a man. And we don't know where it's going to end. But for whom is this? For you? Find out for whom is all this destruction. For whom is the negative conditions? Not for you. Because you are not your body. As long as you believe that you are your body, then the world becomes very real to you. As long as you believe you are your mind, then your thoughts will frighten you, scare you, and make you do strange things. Will make you hate people, be suspicious, be doubtful. You'll have all kinds of problems. But when you inquire, for whom is the mind, for whom is the body, everything stops. You see, the substratum of all existence is bliss. That's the bottom line, simply speaking. The substratum of all existence is bliss. You come from bliss, and you go to bliss. It is your real nature.